Verifying your identity on Linode is an important step to ensure the security of your account. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Linode account. Access the Linode website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login information ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, where your account name is displayed. Step 3. Select identity verification. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for verification. This may include your full name, address, and any identification documents requested by Linode. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After filling out the required fields and uploading any documents, submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation email once your identity has been verified, which may take some time. Completing these steps will help ensure that your Linode account is secure and compliant with their policies. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Linode support for assistance.